Welcome to Mushroom Solutions, your boutique solutions provider for cutting-edge automation. We specialize in automation solutions powered by AI, ML, IoT, digital twins, and digital transformation technologies. Expanding our core capabilities, we've developed specialized solutions for document processing, tackling unstructured data challenges across industries. In life sciences, our automation expertise streamlines clinical operations and regulatory affairs, accelerating clinical trials and regulatory submissions. Our advanced AI image processing solutions revolutionize inventory monitoring and tracking for retail, manufacturing, and healthcare. Our decision support and self-service solutions leverage anomaly detection, recommendations, generative AI, and NLP, driving higher returns in BFSI, high-tech, and agriculture. Through strategic partnerships with leading vendors, we ensure comprehensive support and customer-centric solutions. At Mushroom Solutions, we envision a world where technology transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Our mission is to empower businesses and individuals through innovation and make life better.